Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but as you can see from my face right now, I'm not wearing any eye makeup or lipstick. That's because I'm in the process of doing my makeup and I'm about to do my eye makeup. But today's video is sponsored by this brand called The Quick Flick, and they basically make these eyeliner stamps that make doing your eyeliner so much easier and faster. So they send you 2 eyeliners in each package, and one side has a stamp and the other side has the normal felt tip little eyeliner marker. So yeah, you basically just stamp the stamp part to make the tail of your wing, and then you fill in your lash line using the other side, and yeah, that's pretty much there is to it. These eyeliner stamps are actually so waterproof too. I swatched them right when I got them on my hand, and like I went to sleep and I woke up and they were still there looking brand new. So yeah, if you guys are looking for an easy eyeliner that is transfer proof and water resistant, then I definitely recommend these. These are awesome. So yeah, you get 2 of them in each package. One is for the left and one is for the right. And yeah, each package retails for about $25, I believe. If that's different, I'll leave all the information in the description box and where you can get it. But yeah, they're super great. They come in 8mm, 10mm, and 12mm. They come in a brown color, a navy blue, and the traditional black, which is my favorite. And yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how I use these eyeliner stamps in all 3 colors and sizes. So yeah, if you want to see how I use these, then continue watching. Okay guys, so first I'm taking the eyeliner stamp in the shade Hot Fudge. This is in the size 8mm petite. And I'm taking the stamp part and I'm just going to stamp that once on my outer lash line. And yeah. So then I'm going to take the other side and just fill that in. I made it a little thicker. Oops. You're not supposed to make it that thick. It's just like a habit. But yeah, as you can see, this is a super small size, so this is perfect if you want to just have something on your eyes to make your lashes blend in easier, because I know sometimes it's hard to blend your eyelashes when you're not wearing any makeup, so this is perfect for that. God damn, I made it way thicker than it's supposed to be, but super pretty. But yeah, I love it, you guys. So now I'm gonna move on to the next color and size. I don't need to do the other one since you guys already know what this one looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the shade Intense Black in the size Modest, which is 10mm, and I'm just gonna stamp this once on my outer corner. And then I'm just gonna fill that in with the other side. And yeah, look at how easy that was. This is what that one looks like. It literally took me like 2 seconds to do. And yeah, super cute. So let's move on to the last color and size. So now I'm going to be taking the shade Blue Velvet in the size Grand, which is 12mm. Then I'll be taking the stamp side and I'll be stamping that just once on my outer corner. So as you can see, this is what the wings look like, and I'm literally obsessed with this size. It's my favorite. It's perfect for a snatched wing. And yeah, this is perfect for everybody who likes a nice dramatic wing. This is definitely my favorite size. And yeah, I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, put on lashes, highlight, put on lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial on how I use these Quick Flick eyeliner stamps. You guys, I really do love these. I'm going to be using these so much. I've tried these out a couple times now, and I'm in love with them, and the price is amazing. For $25, you're basically getting about 4 eyeliners. Each package comes with 2 eyeliner thingamabobbers, one for the left and one for the right, and then you get two sides, one for the stamp and one for the normal felt tip pen. So that's just amazing. Like, this is gonna last you such a long time. And yeah, if you guys are struggling with your eyeliner and you want something to make it quick and easy, I definitely do recommend this for beginners. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this. I really do like these, you guys. I'll leave all the information down in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and comment down below some stuff. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!